Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about credit and how it works. Credit is a critical component of personal finance, and understanding how it works is essential for managing your finances effectively. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about credit, including credit scores, credit reports, and how to manage credit cards and loans effectively. Before we get into this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. What is credit? So, what exactly is credit? Credit is the ability to borrow money, goods or services with the understanding that you will repay at a later date with interest. In other words, it's an agreement between a borrower and a lender, where the borrower agrees to repay the amount borrowed, plus interest, over a set period of time. Credit can take many forms, from credit cards to personal loans to mortgages. When you borrow money, you're essentially using someone else's money to finance your purchases, with the promise that you'll pay them back later. Credit scores and reports. One of the most important aspects of credit is your credit score. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness, based on your credit history. It's used by lenders to determine how likely you are to repay your debts on time, and to set the terms of your loans and credit cards. Your credit report is a detailed record of your credit history, including your credit accounts, payment history, and any negative information like missed payments or defaults. It's important to keep an eye on your credit score and report, as they can have a big impact on your ability to get approved for loans and credit cards, and on the interest rates you'll be charged. Understanding credit scores. Your credit score is calculated based on several factors, including your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit accounts, and new credit applications. Your payment history, or how well you've paid your bills on time, makes up the biggest percentage of your credit score. It's crucial to pay your bills on time to keep your credit score in good standing. Managing credit cards and loans. So, how can you manage your credit effectively? One important thing to keep in mind is that credit cards and loans are not free money. It's important to only borrow what you can afford to repay, and to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and damage to your credit score. Another key tip is to keep your credit utilization low. That means only using a small percentage of your available credit. For credit cards, aim for a utilization rate of 30% or less. And finally, be sure to shop around for the best interest rates and terms on your loans and credit cards, and to read the fine print carefully before signing up for anything. Building and rebuilding credit. If you're just starting out or have had some credit challenges in the past, building or rebuilding your credit can seem daunting. But there are some simple steps you can take to improve your credit score, like paying your bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and limiting new credit applications. You may also want to consider a secured credit card or credit builder loan to help establish or rebuild your credit. Well, that's it for our video on credit. We hope you found this information helpful, and that you're feeling more confident about managing your credit. Remember, credit can be a powerful tool for achieving your financial goals, but it's important to use it wisely. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on personal finance.